gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
The moment I laid eyes on this phone, I was seriously blown away. A compact 6.32-inch display paired with a massive 7500 mAh battery. Honestly, how did they even manage to fit that inside? This is the upcoming OnePlus 15T, and that's enough talking. Let's get it out of the box. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So here it is, the unreleased OnePlus 15T, designed as a small screen flagship. If you're someone who prefers compact phones, this one is definitely worth a closer look because it brings something quite different to the table. Starting with the design, the first thing you notice when you hold the OnePlus 15T is just how comfortable it feels. That 6.32-inch size makes it super easy to use with one hand. The frame and the back panel share the same color tone, and even the buttons follow that same finish, all wrapped in a smooth, matte texture. It gives the phone a very clean and premium look. The surface feels soft to the touch, resists fingerprints really well, and even has a bit of grip to prevent slipping. Honestly, it looks so good that you might not even want to put a case on it. Even though it's a compact device, the edges strike a nice balance. While the sides have a more squared-off feel, there's still a subtle curve that makes it comfortable to hold for longer periods. On the back, you get that familiar OnePlus-style snap-on camera module with a rounded, almost spherical design. The two cameras are aligned vertically, making it instantly recognizable as a OnePlus device. Flipping to the front, what really stands out is the display. You're getting an ultra-slim four-sided bezel with just a 1.1mm black border, which looks incredibly sleek. When you compare it to something like my iPhone 17, the difference is pretty noticeable. Both aim for symmetrical bezels, but this one manages to keep things just as tight, including the bottom chin. Another major highlight here is the 165Hz refresh rate. That means you can enjoy up to 165 frames per second while gaming, and the smoothness is on another level. Pair that with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, and you're looking at benchmark scores hitting around 4.45 million. Performance is definitely not a concern here, and OnePlus seems to have done a great job optimizing the gaming experience. Now let's talk about that battery again. 7,500 mAh in a phone this size is just insane. I'll be doing a proper battery test over the next few days, so stay tuned for those results. So what are your thoughts on the OnePlus 15T? Drop your questions down in the comments, and I'll make sure to cover everything in my full in-depth review coming on March 24th, right after the official launch. Make sure you subscribe and join our tech community, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.